In this video, we will learn about the model space and the layout space. Come to View and check this Layout tab. Let the layout be visible here. If you look up to this tab, we see the model is activated. What's actually the model space? The model space is the place where you are making your drawing. Means your whole drawing will be drawn in the model space. Okay, when you are presenting your work, your drawing, actually you are presenting it in a paper space, either in electronic paper or on a physical paper. Here you see the layout. The layout is also called paper space or the layout space. Navigate to the layout. Here you see your drawing is drawn inside a sheet. To understand better, let's see the dimension of the paper. Respect dimension of drawing. Go to Utilities, Measure, Distance. Here you see we are first measuring this paper. 11.7. It's actually centimeters. We have set our units centimeters. Now going inside drawing, and now you see from this point to this point. Enter. Here you see 281.4. 281.4. Okay, going to the model space, navigating to the model space or changing to the model space, first of all you have to deactivate the command. Press escape. Go to model. In model, let's check that dimension. Here go to Utilities, Measure. Let's this time quick measure. Here you see 281.4. How you get from this difference between model space and layout space? Okay, one more way to navigate to the layout space. Hold your cursor here and here is your layouts. Okay, we have navigated to this layout space. If you move your cursor over your layout space or your paper space, it will move smoothly. But when you double click inside your layout space, so the viewport will be activated, your cursor will grab everything. Let's see, it will get hold to everything. Go to model. Let's bring some changes inside this model. Take a circle and draw here. See, here we have drawn a circle. Let's see if the layout is updating at the real time or not. Go to Layout 2. Zoom it out. Here you see the circle. It's mean whenever you are working inside your model, you are editing your model, so at the real time the changes also occur to the paper space or the layout space. Okay, another way to navigate between the model space and the layout space. Hold your cursor over this tab and it will show you where you want to navigate. Model, Layout 1 or Layout 2. Here we have one more thing, that we can publish or we can present our document from here also. Go to this icon. It's give you option to plot it, to plot your model, plot your drawing, or go to this option to publish your work online or offline. Okay, that was all from the paper space and the model space. Hope you learn, you practice and learn more. At the end, whenever you see this triangle sign presented on your sheet, on your paper, you know that you are on a paper space or a layout space.